Big Dre, aka Draco, aka your favorite anti-Earth 2 trader. So today we're just going to be looking at some methods, if you could say that, for actually making money on After Earth or Earth 2. And so I'm going to show you one of the ways I've been doing it. So as you see here, I've found some places which are gold mines. And what I've done, I've bought them in blocks, as you see. So this one's got 36 blocks, that's also 36. But if you scroll, you see, look, 180, 162, 58. So you can find different places where there's different resources, and you could buy different amounts of blocks. And you can sell the blocks as lots rather than, buying 500 blocks at one time and then try and sell the whole thing, because it takes a lot longer to sell. And so you see what I'm doing here, just doubling them, taking a little bit off, and I'll get charged a maybe 50 cents processing fee or whatever it is. So regardless, I still make, almost 100%, of what I spent. And also another way you could do it is by buying, football stadiums and stuff like that, or monuments. But I'd say a good idea right now is resources. So find somewhere which has gold. I don't think they've released anywhere that has diamonds yet, because I don't think there's many diamond mines in the US. But you can always check, you can always check for yourself and see. But that's what I've been doing. Find a gold mine, diamond mine, where they do iron, anything at all. And just, try it out for yourself, guys. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Big